Good morning, friends. Hello, welcome to the YouTube channel of Life and More. Today on World Senior Citizen Day, we bring to you three very special people. These are men who spend endless hours at the border to ensure we remain safe at our homes. These are men from the Indian Army, men who, after retirement from the defense forces, chose not to sit back and spend a quiet life. Instead, they welcome their second innings by indulging in a passion. Let us know in their own words about their life and more. We have with us Colonel Jiten Hazarika, Colonel Ronnie Chipper, and Colonel Manar Sharma. Thank you, sirs, for joining us today. It is an honor to have you all here. I believe Colonel Jiten Hazarika will join us in a while. Sir, I'll introduce you to Colonel Ronnie Chipper first. Colonel Ronnie Chibber is a graduate from the Defense Services Staff College, Wellington. He has served at the Indian Military Academy as an instructor. He was the military consultant to filmmaker Shyam Benegal for the movie Bose, the Forgotten Hero. His passion to create new art forms led him to experiment with mud and sand. This love turned him into a leading sand animator. Today, he's the world's only blindfolded sand artist and the only defense personnel in the world to practice this art form. He's also a TEDx speaker. We welcome you, sir.
Thank you very much. What a pleasure.
Thank you, sir. We also have Colonel Manar Sharma with us, an engineer by education, a soldier by training, an organizer by passion, a poet at heart, and a spiritual by a soul. For Colonel Sharma, work has always been worship. He joined the Indian Army at the tender age of 19 and went on to serve the nation for almost 35 years. Colonel Sharma forever says he remains indebted to the Army for training him the way that he understands the true meaning of virtues such as discipline, camaraderie, solidarity, integrity, loyalty, and leadership. He always turns to yoga and meditation to seek answers for questions that otherwise remains unanswered. Colonel Sharma is now an actor, a model, and a chartered engineer. Welcome, Colonel Sharma. Welcome to Life and More's YouTube channel. Thank you, sir, for having joined us.
Some correct thought.
Sir, I'll start with Colonel Chibber. Sir, welcome. Sir, let us know a bit about your getting into this field.
Oh, well, it dates back to really my service in the army. I used to be a helicopter pilot, and during one of the exercises that we were to go and see the deployment of the enemy on the other side of the hill. So, because we had flown there and we came back and we told them where the enemy was. Now, it was difficult for some people to understand. So, I could see a dusty 3 ton in front of me, a truck. So,
Okay.
on the windscreen only, I drew with my hand the caricature and told them here the enemy is. And
Okay.
that gave me an idea that could I do this live. So
Okay.
from there, I could put the light behind and do it at night. And then I changed over to storytelling from the dusty 3 ton windscreen picture.
And when was this? Which year was this? And how long were you had you spent your time in the army?
I spent almost 30 years and I took premature retirement
Okay.
because the passion in me was, I've always been a very creative person. In fact, the painting that you see behind me
Right.
has been done
Okay.
by me.
Oh
So
wow.
I used to be a very creative person right from the childhood. I got my first write up of magic when I was in class 10, and I had a paid magic show during my school fete. So that was
Okay.
1967. I got my first write up as a magician.
Oh
So,
wow.
creativity never ends in a person's life.
That's
And
correct.
I want to always carry the child inside me to my grave. Everyone in our childhood has learned how to make an apple in class one or nursery or whatever it is. But
Right.
then we left that in fourth or fifth class. But I have carried it and I'm going to carry it till my grave. That is the only difference.
Okay. And sir, when were you always interested since your childhood, as you're saying, that you were interested? Did you actually suppress your passion at that point of time? कि मुझे आर्टिस्ट अंदर कहीं छुपा हुआ है लेकिन मुझे अभी आर्मी में I want to serve the nation and I have that thing, and then maybe after I get over with this period, I'll get back maybe to doing and pursuing my passion.
Not really, not really. I will tell you why. Because definitely, I mean, I used to do art for my mess, for my officers. I would just make some painting and give them. But as far as the magic is concerned, you'll be amazed and surprised to know that
Right,
even as a serving soldier, as a major, I used to do
right.
magic shows, collect money, and give it for poor people, blind schools, and army wives. Could give for medicines of people who are on the border. In
Okay,
Russia, where there's been a lot of firing and where this aircraft episode also happened, I was there. I used to
right.
do magic shows, collect money, and give it for medicines for poor people. That was a
Oh,
philanthropic nature in me.
okay. Right since the beginning. Sir,
Yes,
and when you told them after your retirement, because conventionally हम लोगों की families में क्या होता है जब कोई भी retire हो जाता है तो होता है कि चलो now this person will be confined to a room and अपना क्या नाम है grandchildren को देखेगा, gardening करेगा, and that's conventionally the routine in any retired man's life in our country. Uh, how was the reaction, or what was the reaction of your family when you actually told them that this is what I want to do?
that is the best part of the whole game, because they were all
Okay,
so supporting. They were
right.
also supporting in whatever I wanted to do, and
Okay,
everybody knew that I am a very creative person.
right.
Even right from the beginning, at
Ji.
every dinner, I had to perform some magic or some trick or something like that. So it
Okay.
was there was nothing very unusual. They never felt bad, and I think
Mhm.
I was very lucky to have the support from my family, from my wife,
Okay.
definitely.
Okay. That's good. That's good. Sir, any challenges did you face on way when you started your so-called second innings? Anything that you faced?
Challenges in the sense I would say that I was always looking for something different in life. you know.
Okay.
So even as a magician, I was known as a magician with a difference.
Right.
जैसे मैगी सॉस है ना थोड़ा डिफरेंट है तो खट्टा मीठा तो
जी
चलता जाता है.
जी जी जी.
So when I started off, I was one of the
Mhm.
5 people in the world to do sand art.
Okay.
And today, with God's grace, I am the only blindfolded sand animator of the world with a copyright in 45 countries of the world.
Oh wow, that's great, sir.
And, and I am the only person, the only sand artist in
Right.
India, or I would say in Asia,
Hmm.
to have performed with 65 live band symphony in
Okay.
in Manekshaw Auditorium in Delhi. So
Oh,
that is
that.
and the only sand artist to have gone to Rashtrapati Bhavan and performed for him, for the President of India.
Okay. That's
So
interesting.
I never stopped. I always kept thinking, what next? What next?
सो सर डू यू थिंक कि आर्मी की जो ट्रेनिंग होती है वो कहीं ना कहीं लाइफ में आपने इम्प्लीमेंट करी वो काम आई बिकॉज
Definitely,
यू नेवर स्टॉप.
definitely. Being disciplined in everything. When we do sand art, we go by seconds.
Okay.
If my music clip is 12 minutes 45 seconds, they
Right.
should stop at 12 minutes 45 seconds only,
Okay.
not 1 second less or 1 second more. That is discipline.
That's discipline, right? So that's what army teaches you.
Absolutely. There's no doubt about it.
And how does the routine in your life go now? So how does Colonel Ronnie Chipper spend a day of his life today, for example? How do you do it?
Oh, well, my day starts off with eating the name of God, the honey of God, on
Okay.
the bread of my soul. So,
Right.
in the morning, I do a bit of meditation. Like Colonel Manhar is also a very spiritual man. The day starts with the Almighty God's name. And then I get on to my sand art table and I have projects. I've launched cars, I've launched aircrafts, I've launched I've been to 20 countries of the world, and new themes and totally different out of the box thinking. That has been my aim. And my aim has always been, if you want to catch a fish, don't put on the hook what you eat. Put on the hook
Okay.
what the fish eats. So I
Right.
know what the audience wants. So I plan
That's,
accordingly. I do a lot of research and
mhm.
then merge them into something very beautiful. So every grain of sand then becomes live. There is
Yeah.
emotion touch to the whole thing.
Right.
And
That is
that is how my day passes. A lot of
okay.
research, a lot of work. There are failures, definitely. There are failures
Natural.
everywhere.
Right.
So we practice and improve upon them and we
Right.
overcome failures.
Okay.
That's it.
Okay. And normally, how much time do you spend in a day on your sand art table?
Roughly not less than 3 to 4 hours on a daily
It
basis.
was practicing.
When I have a project. But when I don't have a project with me
Right.
working, then I do a bit of research and I am also into magic in a big way.
Okay.
So that is my first love. Magic has been
Okay.
my first
Okay.
love. So
Okay.
you can't get over that first love.
Okay. Sir, would it be possible? I'm just checking with you. Would it be possible if you could show something to us in the meanwhile when I talk to Colonel Sharma? Would it be possible to see
Yeah,
some art, some sand art? Would it be possible or
yeah.
not?
I have on my laptop, but I will get connected to. Can I show that clip
Sure,
on the
sir. That'll be
laptop?
great. Sir,
How do I get onto that? And let me
sir,
just check.
I'll do one thing. I'll try and share it from here. When you send it to me, also, I'll try and do it from here.
Okay,
Right?
do it.
And अगर आप magic trick कोई दिखा पाएंगे in the meanwhile, तो that'd be great.
Okay, fine, fine. You can talk to. You want to see that? Okay. Oh,
हाँ,
oh, magic. Magic has been my passion. If
yeah,
you see what I used to do uh,
right,
with an open hand. I
right.
used to just move like that, and I used to just take a grain of sand and put it on my hand. Can you see on the camera? Let me see.
Sir,
Oh
हाँ,
yeah.
थोड़ा पीछे हो जाए, हाँ, that's fine.
Okay, okay. Yeah, is it okay?
Yeah, perfectly fine, sir.
Yeah, okay. So you take a grain of sand and you put
Right,
it here. Now, how do you show what is what? So you just do this and you blow on it from here.
okay.
It turns into a
Oh,
crystal.
wow, wow.
This crystal. And you
Okay,
see, like they say in science, nothing can be produced. It goes from one side to the other side. When I do
right.
this and I put it in this hand, now
Mhm.
people think it is in this hand, but it's not in this hand. It is still in
Okay,
this hand. So when
okay.
you do this and you put it in this hand, it cannot vanish. It has to remain here only.
Yeah,
So this is called metamorphism. Metamorphism
okay,
is when I do this, I can transform it from here to this
right.
hand and then bring it back into this hand.
Okay, okay.
You see, there is nothing here and there
Nothing,
is
oh,
nothing
wow.
here, nothing in this hand. But when I move this into this hand,
Okay.
I do this, this comes back.
Oh, wow. That's interesting. That's
That is
interesting.
metamorphism.
That's
Okay, over to
and
uh,
okay. Thank you, sir. Colonel Sharma, sir, welcome, sir. So the same things actually. Sir, tell us. You can hear me, sir. So you can hear me. Hello, sir. Can you hear me? So you have to unmute your mic, sir. मेरे ख्याल से सर शायद अनम्यूट नहीं करा है माइक उन्होंने,
हाँ लगता है मेरे
है
को
ना?
भी.
हाँ, I believe how to call him. Because it's done from there. It's done. Right, sir. Sir, can you hear me, sir?
Yeah,
Colonel
I can
Sharma.
hear you.
You can hear me?
Because the mic was mic. Yeah, fine, sir. Mic was mute from your side. So,
Okay.
sir, already briefed our viewers about what you have done, but from you exactly, how did it all happen? How did this modeling and poetry and advertising started happening, and you're entering into the acting field happened? When did it all start?
In fact, after the retirement,
Right,
the sky was large. I was open to the sky. Sky was the
right.
limit. So we
Okay,
could do anything. So one day, I, with my son, went to a person, a photographer, where my son wanted to get his portfolio updated.
okay,
He was in the periods,
right.
and the moment the photographer saw me, he said, "Sir, why don't you get your portfolio done? You are
Acha.
required by."
Okay,
I said, "I am into that old age category, senior citizens category. I don't
okay,
think I will have any use." He said, "Well, you don't know your talent, but I
right.
can make out you can do it."
Okay.
So he made my portfolio, and
Mm-hmm.
once the portfolio was made, after that I came back, and for 6 months nothing happened. And I thought, well, it is one of those things which came in the way. But then people
Okay.
started calling me, and
Okay.
then after that there was no end. And every day, every moment was a different
Okay.
story. So that's
So,
why I got in. Yes.
Ani, I just wanted to know, did you actually send in your portfolio to different advertising agencies, or how did it happen?
In fact, what happened? I had put it on the net.
Okay. Okay.
Then people, when they searched for a person like me, they
Right.
approached me, and
Okay.
they started calling me.
Okay. And sir, over the years, how many assignments would you have done? And ranging from what products? We were talking about the thing before the show, and you were saying you've done almost all advertising products which are there on earth these days. So just tell us to our viewers what all have you done?
It must be more than 300.
Oh wow, that's great.
And you can say that, like builders, bankers, in builders, I have done one Skyline Builders in Cochin, which is a very impressive and very good this thing TV commercial. Then I have done for this thing mobile mobiles, Lava mobiles, and other mobiles, and then what do you call it? Hospitals like Tata, Reliance, Birlas, then fully celebrate Apollo Hospital,
Okay.
CPR, all the banks like State Bank of India, Punjab National Bank of India, Bank of Baroda, Union Bank of India, Bank of India, like you
Okay.
name the bank, and all the insurance companies of India, like
Okay.
Star Life, Bajaj Allianz, Life Insurance Corporation,
Okay.
all, all the insurance companies.
All. So, were you always interested in modeling since your child, mother say your youth? Did you always think that you should have been somewhere getting into this field, but you joined the army? Was it like that?
No, in fact, what happened whenever there used to be a functions in the army,
Hmm.
I used to be on the stage with the mic.
Okay.
I used to anchor. I used to speak to the people. I used to sing,
Okay.
and so. But at no stage I thought that I will be getting into modeling as such.
Okay.
So it came on my way, I will say,
Okay.
through my children or my mentors, like my wife, my daughter.
Okay.
Since they were into this kind
So,
of showbiz, so I also joined in.
So the family was supportive in your case as well as it was in Colonel Chibber's case. They all supported you.
In 100% way, you will be surprised.
जी.
Ghulam Ali, Habib Ali, Hussain Brothers, Ravindra Jain, all these
जी.
they have performed in my house.
Oh, wow, that's great, sir. सर
So
कोई इंसिडेंट बताइए ना उसके बारे में.
we were associated with the fine arts from the very beginning of our life because of
Okay.
our father's inspiration.
अच्छा, ओके. सर उनके बारे में बताइए ना थोड़ा सा. You're saying that you got inspired by your father. So tell us more about it.
Yes, in fact, what happened, my father, before
Right.
partition, he used to sing at a Lahore radio station.
अच्छा, okay. Oh wow, that's interesting.
And he was a very good actor as well.
Okay.
So, in the house, that atmosphere used to exist.
Okay, that's right.
Like my all brothers, all sisters, they all can act, they all can sing, they all are
Okay.
very good.
So it's in the
Just,
family.
just to tell you, in fact,
Right.
what happens is, as Colonel Shipper brought out,
Right.
what happens in the army or otherwise, we believe in the
Right.
quality of life. In
That's
fact,
right.
it may not be quantitative, but the life should be qualitative. On this, I just tell you two lines.
Right.
शबनम के पत्तों के रिश्ते
Right.
जिएंगे कुछ पल चमकते मोती की तरह हंस के
Wow.
क्या
Wow.
मालूम हो जाएंगे फना कभी सूख के तो कभी सिसक के
Wow.
जिंदगी मुख्तसर ही सही जिएंगे दो पल उनकी नजरों में उतर
Wow.
बहुत सही, बहुत सही.
बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत बढ़िया.
this has been written by me only and
Very nice.
similarly what happens is, you were also asking about the challenges.
That's right,
In
sir. I
fact,
was about to come to that.
yes. In fact, what happens, the change in the life is a challenge, and
Right.
without the change, there's no growth. Until you die, you must grow. And if you have to grow, there will
Right.
always be a change, and you must accept it.
Right. Right. But sir,
So,
it's very
for this,
difficult. Blue.
I tell you
जी जी.
another two lines.
Right, sir.
हमें हवा में उड़ना है
जी.
because our aspirations are very high, and they will
Right.
always remain high because we want to grow till the final destination. And
Right.
if you really ask me, I would like to go even after the final destination.
Okay.
हमें हवा में उड़ना है,
जी.
आसमां अपना बना लेंगे.
Okay.
हमें हवा में उड़ना है, आसमां अपना बना लेंगे. हम समंदर हैं,
जी.
हम समंदर हैं, तुम्हें अपने में समा लेंगे.
क्या
वाह 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 वाह. बहुत बढ़िया सर, बहुत बढ़िया.
So what happens is, as far as the challenges are concerned, sky is the limit.
Right.
And for the sky is the limit also, I just tell you, what happens is that since we were in the army, the moment you tell anyone that
Right.
we were serving in the army, they feel this person was standing on the border with a gun in his hand.
Right.
And they will ask which all operations you were in, which all places you were standing with a gun.
Right.
So my answer is, कौन कहता है
जी.
कौन कहता है हमें सीमाओं को बचाना है. कौन कहता है हमें सीमाओं को बचाना है. हम आसमां हैं, हमें सीमाओं को मिटाना है.
वाह वाह. सर ये भी आपने लिखा है?
यह भी मैंने ही लिखा है.
बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत बढ़िया. Colonel Chibber, I would come to you back. सर मेरे को एक और बात बताइए. आप बात कर रहे थे कि पैशन एक शुरू से था आपके साथ, राइट? और किसी फील्ड में डाइवर्सिफाई कभी सोचा कि डाइवर्सिफाई करना चाहिए और स्टैंड आर्ट हो गया, अब हमारे पास जैसे कर्नल शर्मा भी बोल रहे थे दैट यू शुड कीप ऑन लर्निंग एंड वी शुड कीप ऑन एक्सपेरिमेंटिंग विद लाइफ. नाउ what is next for Colonel Chipper?
You see, like I mentioned to you, magic has been a very great passion in my life, and
Right.
now I am going into mentalism. Mental magic,
Okay. Okay.
and along with that, my next step is tarot.
Acha. Okay. That's interesting.
You know what? Sort of, I used to do one thing wherever I did a show. I've done more than 600 odd live shows around the world
Right.
now.
Okay. That's good.
And one thing I wanted to always do whenever I got an opportunity, I would give
Mhm.
a free show to the school, to the children, with just to sow the seed of creativity in their mind.
Right. That's
So that
interesting.
someday they will also become creative.
Right.
We
Right. Right.
also, were inspired by certain people during our school days.
Mhm.
And therefore, I feel that children should become more and more creative in their life as they move along. And that
Right.
is the only way where you will avoid getting into a kind of a depression. In
Okay.
today's world, there's a lot of tension.
That's
So
right.
unless you have, some kind of pastime, easy, good pastime, whether it is reading, it is art, it is poetry
Right.
like Sharma is doing, or whatever you want to do, there has to be a stress buster.
That's right. That's right.
Stress
हाँ, अनफॉर्चुनेटली हम लोगों के साथ वो नहीं हो पाता है. पढ़ाई है तो पढ़ाई ही चलती रहेगी. अगर स्पोर्ट्स है
buster.
तो स्पोर्ट्स ही होता रहेगा. That's true. I agree. Sir, what is आप बता रहे थे mentalism. What exactly is mentalism?
Mentalism is basically like without any prop and without any equipment, you're trying to do
Okay.
magic and you're
Like
trying to change the mind of the other person.
okay.
So
Okay.
in mentalism, what we do is we try and give a prediction much before you actually select a particular item, and we try and bring it 100% correct. But these
अच्छा.
are not tricks. If actually I could really, predict a lottery number, I would become the richest person on the earth.
Yeah, exactly.
But these are tricks just to for the purpose of entertainment. We must
Okay.
look at all this from the point of entertainment.
Right. Right.
So, whichever art you take from the point of entertainment, like Colonel Manar is doing,
Right.
all three of us now, let's say me, Colonel Sharma, and Colonel Hazarika, are
Right.
doing something which we are going to leave a legacy after we are no more.
Right.
Whether it is sand art, I wanted to do stories for children, bedtime stories for children.
Mhm.
क्योंकि आजकल माँ बाप को स्टोरी नहीं पता तो बच्चों को क्या बताएंगे.
बिल्कुल ठीक बात है सर. I agree. Hmm. Right.
Similarly, Sharma, if he's done so much of poetry, his ads, his photographs all over India, one sees,
Right.
big hoardings I've seen. And at times, I go into a lift, I see his picture there. I clicked the picture and I sent him. I want
Okay.
to still remember. एक मैं
Right.
लिफ्ट में जा रहा था तो वहाँ लिफ्ट में इनकी फोटो लगी हुई. मैंने कहा अरे
जी
अरे अरे
जी
यार ये तो कल मनोज आ गई है.
जी जी जी
And
जी.
similarly, Hazarika, Colonel
Right.
Hazarika, like paintings, like I've got paintings all over. So
Right.
this how you feel, how you feel.
Right.
The spirit must be willing, it should be a total commitment in your life. That is very important. And that
Right.
discipline comes from the army. Definitely, definitely. I
It
would
does make a difference. Yeah, army life does make a difference there, I believe. So the same thing happens with Colonel Sharma also. So कोई एक interesting कोई assignment या कोई challenging आपने acting भी करी है sir? Have you worked in any
Yes,
shows, any theater? What have you done?
I have done one film
Okay.
that was Youngistan. I acted as President of India in that movie.
Oh wow. Okay. Sir, how was the experience? Because it's completely different from that unorganized life is very organized.
You know
What
what
you have
happens is,
spent.
like I was standing in Rashtrapati Bhavan as
Ji.
President of India. In fact,
Okay.
so-called Rashtrapati Bhavan.
जी
It
जी
was
जी.
not Rashtrapati Bhavan, but so-called Rashtrapati Bhavan,
Ji.
standing on the dais,
Okay.
and Prime Minister was to take oath, and I
Okay.
was the facilitator
Okay.
to ensure that he takes the oath.
Ji.
So that's what was my role. It was a
Okay.
limited role, but I felt very, very important in that.
Naturally, sir, acting as the president of India. Right.
Uh, and another was Skyline Builders.
Okay.
In that, is, that complete TV commercial tells me
Ji.
about my life in the army as such. It
Okay.
was just about 30 seconds TV commercial, and it
Right.
was so nicely photographed and done up that I really felt very nice. Another was like one TV commercial about saris. When they
Okay.
called me that you have to do a TV commercial for saris, I said,
Ji.
well, what I am going to do with the saris.
Exactly. Yeah.
So what happens is then they told me a story, and with the story,
Right.
that complete about 2 minutes TV commercial was there. In fact,
Okay.
in that the girl who acted as my granddaughter, he has
Okay.
also acted in a film Banduk Baaz as a heroine.
Okay. 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 I
So
remember
like
that.
that, you get
Hmm.
the opportunity to meet variety of people,
Mhm.
and your thinking horizon gets broadened, and
That's
you learn how to live your life nicely.
that's true. So every time an assignment comes, do you have to like fly down to say a Delhi or a Mumbai for these assignments? Do you do
Yes,
that regularly? And how
yes.
often do you have to travel? How often do you travel?
Once or twice every month, or once in 2 months,
Okay.
and then regular trips to Delhi.
Okay. So you keep on doing that. You are based out of Agra, you said, right?
Bilkul. Yes,
Okay. Interesting. Okay. So I believe while just
yes.
we're just trying to get Colonel Hazarika in. We haven't been able to do that. I'll just see if in case we can do that.
And then, in fact, what happens is you were
See,
asking Colonel Skipper, how do you pass your time?
right,
How you spend your day?
right, sir.
So I just tell you one poetry which I wrote, because what happens is I was in Sri Lanka,
G.
Indian peacekeeping force.
Okay,
So she also asked me the same question, how do you pass your time?
right.
So my reply was in the poetry, and
G.
if you permit me, I would like to recite it.
Sir, please, sir. It'll be an honor.
Yes, you know what happens is, normally what happens is viraha, viyog, separation. What happens in
G.
that people say, नींद भी ना आई गिने भी ना तारे गिनती ही
Okay,
भूल गए विरह के मारे जैसे
okay.
तैसे कर गुणा और भाग कर गिनती याद
G.
आई क्यों ही डूब गए सारे. So but
That's interesting.
it was not so with me, because
Right,
the
right.
moment I get up or I go to the bed, I sleep like log.
Okay,
So then what was happening with me, it was सुबह सुबह जब आंखें खोली चुपके
G.
से तुम आकर बोली कैसे हो नटखट हम जोली करते रहे रात हिटकोली. सुबह हुई नींद
Very
बहकाई
interesting.
भीगी
G.
रात ने नींद अंगड़ाई तुमने मेरी सुध बिसराई हृदय मेरे की थाह न पाई.
Wow,
सूरज
wow.
निकला रश्मि चमकी चिंगारी फिर और भी दहकी वियोग में नापी मंजिल गुण की पत्ते
Okay.
सूखे सूखी सब डाली बन गए दिन रात एक काली कहीं खो गई खून की लाली जीवन तृष्णा हो गई काली.
Wow,
चोट पड़ी
wow.
मुझे ऐसे ढंग की मर गई इच्छाएं सब मन की होश नहीं मुझे अपने तन की मैं रह गई मैं एक छोटे कण सी.
Wow.
कोयल कूकी अमराइयों से झुक गई डाली गरमाइयों से आवाजें निकली गहराइयों से, प्रियतम आन मिलो, प्रियतम आन मिलो, प्रियतम आन मिलो.
Wow,
So
wow,
that's how the day used to go. Every moment, every step, our near and dears are with us. So, like as on now, my grandchildren they keep me busy throughout the day.
okay, okay, okay. That's interesting, sir. Uh, Sir, any message to our viewers that you would want to give so that they keep it with them as an artist and also as an army personnel to our viewers?
Sir, as an army personnel, I would like to say, wherever you work, whether it is in your house, whether it is in any organization,
Right.
work with the feeling of ownership. And if you work with the feeling of ownership, you will work with heart and soul. You will produce the desired result of the best standards. But if it is not so, then God forbid, you
Nothing
can't
can,
rise.
nothing
So
cannot.
you have to work with your heart and soul, and that is
Right.
possible only and only when you work with the feeling of ownership.
That's true. That's true. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Colonel Chibber, what are your views? Basically, any message that you would want to give us, like Colonel Sharma did?
Yeah, definitely. I personally feel that in each person's life, one must look at something that he can leave for the society, because most of us die an emotional death much before we leave our soul, our body.
Right. True, sir.
And,
True.
and I feel, like I said in my TEDx talk also, that
Mhm.
most of us on our deathbed regret not what we did, but what we could not do in our life.
Very right. Very right.
And therefore, you must do what you desire to do, because life comes only once. So live
That's
life
true.
king space.
Right. That's true. That's
The
true.
way. And somebody asked me, if you were to give one advice
Right.
on deathbed, what would you give? And I would give only that one advice: जैसे कर्म करेगा वैसे फल देगा भगवान. If you
That's
sow lemon seed, don't expect mangoes to grow on it. You
right.
only
That's true.
so अच्छे काम करोगे, अच्छे कर्म करोगे तो अच्छा फल मिलेगा. And God
Will.
bless you.
Sir, thank you, sir. Sir, it's very unfortunate that Colonel Jiten Hazarika couldn't join us. He's been trying very hard, actually. Time that you gave us, thanks a ton. And we wish you all the best. And you are an inspiration, not only for people like me who are going to retire after some time, but to millions, billions of Indians out there who can actually get inspired by what you have done. That the life doesn't end when you get out of when you are retired. So there's something more that you can add on to your life and do in your life. Thank you, sir. Thanks a lot, sir. Cheers and all
Thank
the
you
best,
very
sir.
much, sir. And God bless. Thank you
Thank
very
you.
much. Very good.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Pleasure, sir. Pleasure to have you, sir.
Pleasure. It was pleasure to be.
Thank you, sir. Thanks.